Hello everyone, and welcome to another exciting video of Sublimation Focus. Today we're talking about the best printer for homeschooling. These printers can be used in a variety of ways to make homeschooling easier and more enjoyable. With that in mind, let's take a look at some of the best options out there for homeschooling. We all know that a quality printer can make a massive difference in your printing performance. That's why we're here to give you the rundown on some of the best printers for homeschooling. These printers have excellent features that make them great for homeschooling, like a high-quality printing resolution and easy setup. We have included each printer's link in the description section. And more importantly, these links are updated daily so you can have the best and updated prices. Without any further ado, let's get started. Number 1 is Brother MFP J995DW Color Inkjet Printer. If you have a home filled with budding learners, the Brother MFP J995DW Investment Tank Color Inkjet All-in-One Printer is the perfect companion for homeschooling adventures. Say goodbye to ink worries with its incredible feature, up to 1 year of ink in the box. With the cartridges provided, you'll enjoy exceptional savings and uninterrupted printing, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, teaching and inspiring. This printer is a true ink-saving superhero. Its re-engineered ink cartridges hold more ink and work with an internal ink storage tank, ensuring you never run out of ink unexpectedly. Thanks to Brother's intelligent page gauge, you'll always know about your ink usage and the remaining amount, eliminating any guesswork and keeping you on top of your printing game. With its user-friendly features, exceptional ink savings, and compatibility with various operating systems, the Brother MFP J995DW is undoubtedly the #1 choice for homeschooling families. Get ready for a printer that will make your homeschooling journey fun, exciting, and hassle-free. If you like this printer, then be sure to check out the link in the description box to purchase it. Number 2 is HP LaserJet Pro MFP Wireless Monochrome Printer. The HP LaserJet Pro MFP 4101 Dual Wireless Black and White Monochrome Printer is an optimistic choice for homeschooling families. With its robust, intelligent features and easy setup, this printer takes the hassle out of printing, scanning, copying, and faxing. It's like having your assistant right at your fingertips. Let's talk about speed. This printer is lightning fast, printing up to 42 pages per minute. Say goodbye to long waiting times and hello to efficiency. Plus, with its auto two-sided printing feature, you'll save paper and help the environment. But what sets this printer apart is its ability to stay connected. No matter where you are, this printer is always ready to go. Its intelligent Wi-Fi automatically searches for the best connection, ensuring you can print from any device on any network. And let's remember security. Homeschooling often involves sensitive information, and the HP LaserJet Pro MFP 4101 FDU covers you. With advanced features like HP Wolf Pro Security, your printer and your information are always protected. You can rest easy knowing that your homeschooling materials are safe and secure. If you want to buy this all-in-one best printer, the link is given in the description box. Number 3 is boundless HP Officejet Pro Color Inkjet Printer. When it comes to homeschooling, you need not just an ordinary but an extraordinary printer. Enter the marvelous HP Officejet Pro 697 Series Color Inkjet All-in-One Wireless Printer, your ultimate homeschooling companion. This printer is a vibrant explosion of technology, combining copying, scanning, faxing, wireless, and two-sided printing all in one sleek and stylish package. Picture this: you're teaching your kids about the world's wonders, and suddenly, you need a visual aid. With the HP Officejet Pro, you can quickly scan fascinating images straight from your textbook, transforming them into vivid, eye-catching prints that will make learning an adventure. Plus, the wireless feature ensures you can print from any device, making it convenient for the whole family. But that's not all. The two-sided printing function saves paper and the planet, encouraging eco-friendly practices while teaching your little ones. And remember the handy faxing capability, perfect for sending important documents to your homeschooling co-op or exchanging study materials with fellow parents. With its cutting-edge technology and user-friendly design, the HP Officejet Pro 697 Series Color Inkjet All-in-One Wireless Printer is the homeschooling superhero you've been waiting for. If you want to purchase this best color inkjet printer, the link is given in the description box. Number 4 is Epson EcoTank ET3760 Color SuperTank Printer. The Epson EcoTank ET3760 wireless color all-in-one printer is a game-changer for homeschooling families. Say goodbye to the hassle of tiny, expensive ink cartridges because this printer has high-capacity ink tanks that will make your life much easier. With Epson's exclusive EcoFit ink bottles, refilling becomes a worry-free breeze. It's like a fun science experiment whenever you top up your printer's ink. Compared to traditional cartridges, you can save up to 90% with replacement ink bottles. That money can be better spent on educational resources or exciting field trips. But the benefits continue beyond there. By choosing an EcoTank printer, you're also doing your part to save the planet. With the EcoTank ET3760, you're reducing your carbon footprint while printing up to an impressive 7,500 black or 6,000 color pages. That's enough to fill a library with knowledge. Whether you're printing worksheets, art projects, or even your homeschooling curriculum, this all-in-one printer covers you. The Epson EcoTank ET3760 is the superhero of printers, bringing fun, excitement, and simplicity to your homeschooling journey. Get the Epson EcoTank ET3760 wireless printer today by clicking on the link provided in the description box and enjoy hassle-free printing for years to come. Number 5 is HP SmartTank 6001 wireless ink printer. The HP SmartTank 6001 is not just your ordinary printer, it's a superhero in disguise, ready to save the day for all homeschooling families. With its vibrant colors and lightning-fast printing speed, this printer is the perfect sidekick for all your educational adventures. Imagine printing your kids' assignments, colorful charts, and captivating diagrams in the blink of an eye. With the HP SmartTank 6001, you'll be zipping through your printing tasks faster than a speeding bullet. But that's not all. This mighty printer comes fully loaded with savings. It's like having a secret treasure chest of ink, providing up to 2 years' worth right out of the box. With up to 8,000 color pages or 6,000 black pages, you can print, copy, and scan to your heart's content without worrying about running out of ink at the most inconvenient moment. And remember the HP Smart app, the ultimate weapon in your homeschooling arsenal. With this powerful app, you can print, scan, and copy directly from your phone, no matter where you are. If you want to get this printer, then check out the link provided in the description below. That's all from us in today's video about the top 5 best printers for homeschooling. We hope you liked this video, and if you did, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more such content. And to remind you again, the link for all these printers is given in the description box so that you can buy them at the best price. Thanks for watching, and see you soon!